Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to hold your brush pen. Different people tend to hold it differently, but there is one correct way. Let me show you. You should hold your pen like this to make an angle of 45 degree between your pen and paper. You can move it a little bit to get a comfortable hold. This is how I hold my brush pen for calligraphy. So if you hold it correctly, you will get the proper thin and thick strokes. Now I will show you what not to do with your brush pen. Don't hold it like normal pen as if you are writing something, because here you are doing calligraphy and this won't work. You are also not allowed to hold it too upright like this. Now let me show you one more time how to hold your brush pen. So this is how you're supposed to hold your brush pen. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.